Good afternoon, students. Today there's activity of a SketchUp in which I wanna told you how to build this kind of house. Okay. Uh, we have the lab activity. So write down first. Make a model of the house with SketchUp. Make as shown in figure below. So we have to make this house. Okay, so model of the house. So how we made in the SketchUp make, let's see. Previously I make this house like this. So as you can see, I make this house much colorful than the real picture of the book is. So how we make this house, let's check it out. Okay, first we take new. Okay, as we know, this model is appear, so we have to disappear it. Okay, select and hide. Okay, and then from the rectangle tool, choose the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over here. Okay, just like that. Okay, and from the pull and push tool, let's raise this. Okay, I raise this. Okay, and from pen tool. Okay, this. Okay, now discover the midpoint of the section of this wall. How we find the midpoint? Let's use this tool, which is called tape measures tool, from here to here. Okay, where is the midpoint? Here this is denote, there is the midpoint. Okay, and just above it we drop the point. Okay, this is the point where we have to draw the slope. So from the let's okay from the line tool we have to make the line. Okay, from this point, line tool. Okay, and from this we have to point like this. Okay, and now from pen tool we have to move this. Okay, and from the let's zoom out slightly, and from this let's move. Okay, now again we use push and pull tool, and from this we draw the slope. Okay, there is the roof of the building. Now this now this is the roof of the building. Now we have to build the gate. Choose the rectangle tool. Okay, and draw the rectangle so that it looks like a gate. So this is the gate. Okay, and now draw the windows here. Choose the rectangle and draw the windows. Okay, and now select the outline over this. Press the control to select the whole line. Now we have selected, and now copy it. Now I am pressing the control C to copy this window, and now paste, control V, and now we put approximately in the middle. Okay, and now the third window by pressing control V. Okay, so this is the three windows, and now uh, because I made the wall of the depth of the house is long, so I made the 3 windows. Otherwise, if you like to build 2 windows, that perfectly fine. No option is no issue with that. So now using the push and pull tool, now we push. Okay, now we push the now we push inside the house, so that we appear the three-dimensional gate over there, and now push inside the house so that windows are visible. Okay, so these are the 3 windows. Now draw the chimney. So for chimney, we using the line tool. Okay, choose the line tool and draw the vertical line over there. Okay, and horizontal line parallel to the roof, and now yeah, so this line, now vertical line, and here. Okay, now this meet this line, and now yeah, and slightly pan this slightly. Okay, and now this is the okay line. Yeah, now join this section from this to this. Okay, and slightly pan this, choose the line tool, this to this, and again pan. Okay, this to this, and then pan. Okay, now this point to this point. Okay, yeah, so now the house is ready. So now let's paint this one. Choose the color of whatever you like. Okay, and this one I choose this color and this color. Okay, interior colors are this. Okay, yeah, okay, and now span this. Yeah, and from this is, yeah, this color, pan. Okay, this one and this one, and this one also, this one, and now pan this. So yeah, your house is ready. So do it in your computer, and if you find any difficulty, then text me. I will show you how to do this. Okay, so hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want any if you do any more creative work in SketchUp, then let me show how you are practicing this. Okay, so meet you in the next video. So keep learning and bye. Thank you.